and come in me make as in baby father. In suck you know. Then I work me, I work, you know, people. People, my mother can prove this to you know.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So my people, you know, say somebody forward few clips of video to me. And they must say NEWLINK, you know, say this a king from King and Shay. The same king where they run away and burn out NEWLINK when them take him youth, them and go across the border and them thing there. And when me watch the thing, my viewers and subscribers, for real, you know what, before me say no more, check out them clip of my people.
Sashay father have a friend come from foreign. And me have my baby mother. And my baby mother go with one of in father friend, in father best friend. We come from New York. And Sashay go with that man. And go have sex with that man for $100 US. For $100 US. And you know when Sashay come back the same day come make me do people. Remember, them time they not do Sashay nothing, you know. Them time they not do Sashay nothing. Sashay come back and come in me make as in baby father. In suck you know. Them time they work me, I work, you know, people. People, my mother can prove this to you know, people. My mother Crystal, my mother not tell no lie, you know, people. You know what I mean? When me know Sashay, you know, people. Sashay, I send. When we buy the first computer house, them time me don't know nothing about touchscreen phone, and me don't know nothing about iPhone. Me don't know nothing about phone. Sashay is the first person start to send mute video go to man, you know, people. Sashay is the first one start to all those shit, you know, people. Sashay is the first girl, first woman who start. Yo, this blood clot girl I go look for me, I go tell me say, yo, you would offer me blood clot break me make you come a Friday, your father come a Friday, you would do blood clot girl, you wicked, you fuck. Yo, you wicked, you fuck, you me done already, yo, wicked, you fuck, you wicked, you brother. People tell me that say, yo, you bring girl got fired and father got fired. People tell me that a blood clot already in the youth. Just tell me should I listen to Ice, brother. Ice tell me say, King, me I give you visa, come a foreign and work and take up your youth them. Come a foreign, me not have no zeal. Come a foreign, work hard and take your youth them. One lady tell me, we lady will give me. I'm say, yo, I'm a decline the visa when I forget. I work hard and take and make money. Zin, to make woman come a foreign. Yo, you think it's me? You think it's me? You, me say me not even know when me there, you. By tomorrow come to blood clot, me that one time 11 o'clock come and me go and me take out of this. Me homeless to blood clot.
I mean, I say, wait, away King gone. I mean, no more for ring you. Aye. At least you have life, see everybody, you know? Glad to see you, man.
Yo, you, that you not even know you. Me ball, you fuck you, and me I say you, genuine you. Me I say you, a man who do everything for the woman or pick me and father. Make you, not even none of me parents. For your father. And then now, when I get a place for yourself, no, you know. Remember, you know, if you never get a place for yourself, you know, I would have fight with you out, you know. But to get a place for yourself now, and you know, say, boy, I'm there, so now, so. And you know, me don't good, because you know, so me, so, you have to tell me, so if you can find me way out, it's, that's it, it's over. Find your way out. And me, I say, myself say, yo, I saw Sashay fucking wicked.
Why?
Bro, Sashay, brother, Sashay, come let me out, tell us, brother. I'm going to tell us, brother. Sashay, come let me out, and Sashay no call me, none at all. And me call Sashay, I say, Sashay, you not to call me, check up on me, and tell me alright. She not even answer me, she hang up the phone for me. So me say that to me, hang up the phone for me. And then she call back and say, yo, that's it. Yo, Sasha, brother, Sasha, they are foreign 1 year and 4 months now, brother. And everywhere Sasha stay in America here, and me get it. Every clothes Sasha have on him back, and me work. And me do work. Sleepless night.
Why? Are you going?
Brother, I when my big page gone, brother, everything start get fucked, brother.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, as I can see, that are the virgin who call himself king. You understand? Yeah, man, who say him the king. Which a man named king, to be a leader, to be a ruler. You understand? A king not to be a man where look sympathy and a beg and a cry. You see me, so I don't know what type of king this is. But king, what more have to say to you, bro, this is not the first to see you kind of pull them stunt, you know. You know what I mean? When they want people to be sorry for you and send you this, then they come on forward and see a prank. The last time when they want to place furniture out, you forward and say one heap of thing you don't live nowhere, you don't have nothing. Then we see you come some and you buy this and you tell the people them send how much money can give you. So we know some maybe one of them look a sympathy package they all look and I use a Sykes. You see me? But honestly, anything I say, me do believe it in the clip them. When I say whatever Shay go do for the $100 and man Lego that in the belly or in the pums and then you go there and you name it out. I believe that for sure because when you look on you can see you're that type of person. You understand? When you look on you and joke about it. But one thing more have to say to your king. Zin, you see as a man and you say your name king, you need to stop being a beggar and a cruff. You see me? Because that's the only thing you make yourself look, brother. Like a beggar and a cruff. You know what I mean, king? Remember, you know, when we start this media thing, you know, YouTube thing, you know, and of them close to the same period we kick off, you know, because remember you used to link me, you know, king. No joke, when I live in the local piece of board up something up there, you know. You know what I mean? And then we see how your progress, king. And you step up and you move up. You see, you never make some smart choices because there's a youth who feel like you want to live on top and like you know remember where you're forward from. Which, as I'm sure saying a lot of people, you always have to remember where you're forward from. You know what I mean? Even though you go up on the top and climb up the ladder, but remember where you're forward from. So King reach a level of people where 9 to 5 is nothing to him no more. Him not think about them there's something there. Only thing him dedicated to is the media. When YouTube thing and I don't know say YouTube and them prank couples thing they not work out no more. TikTok forward and go up on it and beg, then him the whole heap of things of the people them turn against him, the people. Him this a man and have no mindset if you go work a 9 to 5 job and collect a honest bread. Him not depend that my people. Him only thing in my mind is to get things off of media and from people. And this is why I'm telling about me personally. You see me as a youth, me do a 9 to 5 my people. Me never all through the years when I see me I do YouTube and I do this for media. Me always have a 9 to 5 job. Because you know why? Me no want to dedicate my mindset to just benefit from social media. Because me don't know say social media is a thing the people. Not every day you can get a video where go viral. Because if I say you get paid, not every day you can afford from the media expect people to give you handout. You see me? Which mean I get handout from people. But for creators like TikTokers who always get handout and give some them thing there from people. And every day people got come someone and take them hard working money just give people like that for no reason at all. You know what I mean? No, people not fool you know. You see me? So man like King now, him dedicate him life to this media thing, social media, for gain from it, my people. And you see when things now move the way how him expect it to move and him now get the money, it a gonna knock him chip. And then we do all type of things to get it easily. Then we sell all them party, not joke. I tell you this. And we send him woman out there to go take Greek just to get things to people. You see me? So when I say him a forward and I cry and I behave them way, it's not the first we see them people. And I can tell you this. Nobody believes a true king the over America, which we not wish no bad for no man in there because at the first moment when he make the choice and go across the border with them local youth them, I never like it and say me attack him on that. But now knowing that him did it with them youth them, we don't want to wish and say him for forward. We would love to see him progress and make it, you know what I mean, and build up himself. But the way him look my people, it look like say him not make no choice, him not make a move or him can't make a move the way how him look. Because honestly, you know, me know when me look on him there's some things say him still a yard back or him there over Haiti. Me know say him still over America there. You see me, the way him look. Me know, brethren, and this is one I think what me always say my people. When them say deportation are go on, and me always say, you see if you're there over there and you make a purpose of your life, you know what I mean, then honestly, you know what I mean, we'd love to see you make it and you know what I mean. But if you over them people, why the sense this a man left Jamaica Go over there, so Zine, and over there beg on social media idea. It a better you there yard than a beg, because honestly, when you there yard, you know, and you get the US currency, them might change out. It better for you, you know. But when you the America, a dollar is just a dollar. You know what I mean? And I beg, yeah, beg. Better you come to boom and bridging and go look at work. Go look at work. Be a man. You see me, go do a 9-to-5 job, bridging. You better you did a big scene where you're not trying to push yourself to get a job. Now nobody tell me, so because you not certain documents, you can't get no work. Because a whole heap of people in the same situation, even if you hide from ICE or whatever. You see me, I say? Because you did have enough time before this era, I was going over there. But nobody needs to see you try to make that move and build up yourself. You see me? As a man, bro, you must be a leader and a ruler. And if Shay do left you because she find a man who work and who have determination and she had prayer life for her youth, them and herself, then, you know what I mean? But as I say, I believe nothing we say still, you know. Only part I believe is say, you put your mouth down there when the next man Lego sitting in there and damn it out. I believe that for true. But otherwise, with the sympathy crying and this and that, I want people sorry for you, bro. Which me know say you whole heap of people upon the media, they have this type of art where anybody say anything, them do believe and they fall for it, and then we just come to boom and send all them last. But one thing me can say, King, you not get my one. You see me? You not get my one, bridging. You see me? Be a man. Be a man, bro. Stop forward upon the media with sympathy crying and bawling, because I just sympathy all up, my G. We don't know where you are forward. I beg you want beg. You see me? The look of money where you did get what you when I did run them look of gimmicks and pranks that we do. It seem like you spend it off all off already. You know what I mean? Yo, brother, I don't understand you know. When you just make Jamaica look bad. And then a joke when I make Jamaica look bad, bridging. No joke about it. When I make Jamaica look bad. Yo, and even if a prank, bro, and I say you prank about your woman, and you forward on the media and lash these things about her and the media in front of the world for see, bro. Like, judge up, yo, I don't do anything for money, brother. As there some people that say, go look at work, Jankro. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. My people, big up on yourself, and more love, more respect, and more blessings. And thank you for the love, for the support, for the like, the share, and every comment. So I don't know, say one team of people, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. And just be safe out there, and just do the right thing, my people. Blessings. Be good, be great, and be safe. I'm out. Big up.